The 2026 BMW X7 represents a continuation of BMW's commitment to luxury, performance, and advanced technology within the full-size SUV segment. This latest iteration of the X7 is equipped with a refined selection of powertrains, including a standard 3.0-litre turbocharged inline-six producing 375 horsepower, and an available 4.4-litre twin-turbocharged V8 generating 523 horsepower. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, ensuring optimal traction and performance across various road conditions. Despite its substantial size, the X7 maintains a level of agility that is rare for vehicles in this category, attributed to its adaptive air suspension and precision-engineered chassis. Inside the cabin, the 2026 X7 exemplifies BMW's mastery of luxury design and technological integration. The dashboard is dominated by BMW's latest curved display, which incorporates a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster alongside a 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen. The xDrive 8.5 system offers enhanced responsiveness, voice command functionality, and seamless connectivity options, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Furthermore, the interior is adorned with high-quality materials such as merino leather upholstery, wood trims, and customizable ambient lighting. From a user experience perspective, the X7 has received commendation for its sophisticated ride quality and comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. Standard safety technologies include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, enhancing both convenience and security. Consumer feedback highlights the vehicle's exceptionally quiet cabin, refined driving dynamics, and optional luxury enhancements such as massaging seats, which elevate comfort levels even further.